Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted a smarter, faster way to work with batches of data in Google Sheets, you're in the right spot. Today I'm going to show you how to use the powerful map function. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to transform columns or rows with a single formula, no more copying and pasting formulas down an endless list. This one's a big time saver, so let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, make sure you already have your data in your Google Sheet. This could be a list of numbers, prices, scores, really anything where you'd want to adjust each value in some way. If you don't have the data ready, just pause here and input it into your sheet, maybe down column A, for example. For this walkthrough, imagine we have a bunch of numbers that we want to reduce by one, maybe to show a new price or adjust scores for some reason. Now let's jump into the fun part, using the map function. Click on the cell where you want to see your results. This could be right next to your original data or off to the side in a blank area. Placing your formula here helps keep things organized, and you'll really see the before and after effect when the map results fill in. In your selected cell, type this formula, upwards range of your data lambda numbers 1. Let's break that down a bit because the order of things really matters here. Map is essentially saying, take each item in this list and do something to it. That something is defined by what comes next. The range of your data should actually be replaced with the cells that have your numbers like A2, A10, or wherever your numbers are. The real magic is the lambda part. Lambda is a neat function that lets you create your own little operation. In this case, lambda numbers 1 is the operation. It takes each number in your range and subtracts 1. It sounds simple, but the power comes from automating this across your entire range. It's kind of like an assembly line where every product gets the same tweak before moving along. Once you've typed your formula again, it'll look something like upwards a10 lambda numk 1. Go ahead and press enter. Take a breath here. It might take a second for Google Sheets to fill in the results, especially if your data set is large. But don't worry if nothing happens right away or if you see an error. Double check your range and make sure the names line up in the formula. Little typos happen to all of us, so don't let a small hiccup slow you down. If everything's working, you'll instantly see the map function outputs, each value in your range decreased by 1 in a brand new cell range. Instead of dragging the formula down for every row or fussing with copy-paste, the map function does all that heavy lifting for you. It's a leap forward in efficiency. And just as a quick tip, you're not limited to subtracting 1. You could adjust that operation inside the lambda to add numbers, multiply, divide, or even craft something more complex. Experiment with it, and you'll see just how flexible map can be. So that's the basics and a little bit extra on using the map function in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more super practical Google Sheets tips and tricks. Got questions or want to see more examples? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.